Developing a skincare routine. Figure out your skin type. Wash your face twice a day. Use a cleanser that is suited to your skin type. It should be stated clearly on the bottle. Use toner. Apply moisturizer. Exfoliate regularly. Always remove your makeup. Keep cleansing wipes on hand. 6 easy ways. Simple and easy, remove your makeup. Skin cleansing, the start of a better skin. Moisturize, and moisturizer skin makeover. It's time to scrub. Get your beauty sleep facial workout. 11 best food for healthy skin. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel and herring, are excellent foods for healthy skin. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats. Walnuts. Walnuts have many characteristics that make them an excellent food for healthy skin. Sunflower seeds. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin-boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as provitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A in your body. Beta-carotene is found in oranges and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Red or yellow bell peppers. Like sweet potatoes, bell peppers are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. 1 cup 149 grams of chopped red bell pepper contains the equivalent of 92% of the RDI for vitamin A. 18. Broccoli. It also contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein protects your skin from oxidative damage, which can cause your skin to become dry and wrinkled. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and contain all of the major carotenoids, including lycopene. Beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene have been shown to protect your skin against damage from the sun. They may also help prevent wrinkling. Soy. Soy contains isoflavones, a category of plant compounds that can either mimic or block estrogen in your body. Isoflavones may benefit several parts of your body, including your skin. Dark chocolate. If you need one more reason to eat chocolate, here it is. The effects of cocoa on your skin are pretty phenomenal. After 6 to 12 weeks of consuming a cocoa powder high in antioxidants each day, participants in one study experienced thicker, more hydrated skin. Green tea. Green tea may protect your skin from damage and aging. The powerful compounds found in green tea are called catechins and work to improve the health of your skin in several ways. Like several other antioxidant-containing foods, green tea can help protect your skin against sun damage. Fresh and glowing skin. Increased circulation is another factor that contributes to glowing skin. Ever notice how you glow more after workout even after you've showered? That's because the increased blood supply to your skin flushes blood to the surface of the skin, makes it appear rosy or glowing when reflected in the light.